Hi there. I'll start with the stellar weekly chart to show you the primary Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. Starting with the weekly chart from a Wyckoff perspective, Stellar is coming back to this testing stage of the accumulation cycle. So previously, it has gone through the automatic rally that went all the way to closing around 26 cents, the light blue key level. The key support and resistance right now is 0.172 as support. The purple key level. The resistance is 0.211. So for the past 3 weeks, you see actually if you discount the white over here, that sudden surge, the past 5 weeks has been within this range bound situation between the purple line 0.172 to the orange line 0.211. And the volume has gradually come back down as well. So you can say there's no big commitment from both bulls and bears over the past couple of weeks by looking at the volume itself over here. So we expect more tests to come before the next distribution cycle comes in. It may range bound over here, but breaking the key level of 0.172 means that the range bound area or the range bound zone would move from the current range over here down to the previous range since February all the way into May. So this purple line here is very key. Now let's zoom into the daily chart. We talked about this. Both the 4th and the 11th, the bulls weren't able to break outside of this downward channel, and we are approaching the 17th. It is a dual support situation over here within this box. So you see this wedge over here. One triangle, one wedge, formed by the two lines. So previously we talked about this higher low support, but it was broken. So this line was broken for a short period between mid-May all the way to late May for less than 2 weeks. So if that particular line still has its effect, like what it did just at the end of June, then when the price trades towards this triangle or this wedge, combined with the horizontal support. So this horizontal dashed line over here provided support just a few days back, and also mid-June plus being the resistance of 4 separate occasions since February all the way into late April. So the significance of this line is also, I would say, more than this line trending upwards. But anyway, there's dual support over here, gapping with the ceiling of the downtrend, provides the 2 C's decision scenario we talked about. The first C, continuation with the trend, meaning it breaks both support, coming back to challenge the 0.172 key level, the very key zone that I just talked about in the weekly chart. Or it changed the trend, okay, breaking the ceiling of the downtrend, at least trade sideways, popping up to challenge the 0.195 red key level, like what it did over the past 2 days. So let me extend this line by a little. We will get to know about this in just a few days, because 17th is not too far. It's just the coming Friday. Okay, you see this big gap. Okay, this wedge over here. If you look at the bigger picture, okay, this is what it is. Some people would say if the price shot into a wedge, and then the tendency for the exit is to continue to shoot to the initial direction. Okay, initial direction, and when the wedge is up, then it should go outside upwards as well. But to me, looking at that many charts, that's not always the case. So be careful if you rely on those kind of interpretation. That's not always what it is going to happen. But turning on the Bollinger Band Corner Squeeze, you can clearly see the blue lines have entered the purple lines. So last time it happened over here, that's when the price got squeezed. Last time was up, but as I said, sometimes look at what happened over here. It got squeezed down. So this indicator tells us the price squeeze will push the price to higher than average movement, but it doesn't say which side it is going to go. It can go either side. But anyway, it is being squeezed, and a bigger price move may be imminent. All right. So that's the case for Stellar. And if you are interested to access these videos 2 days earlier, join the other channel members now. And if you want to understand key risk and narratives of key crypto projects, check out the other crypto update videos. See you in the next one. Thank you.